put your needle, your pin through the hole. You take your 2 strands of hair, remove your needle from the hole. You are going to get something like this, and then you bring your pin closer, take the hair, bring it down, knot the first one. Why knotting this hair? Make sure that you are maintaining pressure in both hands, but don't pull it too tight, okay? Now when you have done knotting the first one, go back again, take the hair again, bring it back, and here is the double knotting. When you bring it back, try to do it like this. Doing it like this way your knotting is going to be tight, okay? Now you bring it out. If you are doing this double knotting and your knotting is not as tight and looking natural, just give yourself time, okay? Within some time, as you keep doing it, your knotting is going to be smaller, okay? So don't rush yourself. Let's do it again. Put your pin through the hole, bring your 2 strands of hair, bring it down, knot the first one, go back again, take the hair. Now do it like this. Don't pull it too much, okay? Don't pull it too much. Just doing it this way is just for the knotting to, for you to knot it, like the knotting to look natural, okay? Now when you have seen that the knot has looked natural, now slowly, while putting pressure in this hand, slowly hope you can see how tiny my double knotting looks, as if it's single knotting. Now let's do it again. Put your needle through the hole, pick your 2 strands of hair, bring it down, knot the first one. Do it like this I'm doing, but don't pull too much, okay? Just gradually. When you have seen that this one has knots, like it's a little bit tight, now you go back again, pick the next one, knot it again, okay? Just the way I'm doing. This is just to make the knot, just to make it tight, okay? Now slowly bring it out. You can see how tiny my knotting looks. Now when you bring it out, you drag it a little like this. Doing it this way is also going to help straighten it to the direction you want it to be. So let's do it some more time. Needle through the hole, pick your 2 strands of hair, bring it down, take the hair, knot the first one, tight it as I'm doing, and then go back again, take the, you can see how I'm doing it. Just make sure you are not pulling too hard, okay? Now let's do it again. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, should I even beg you, eh? All right, so knot the first one, and then take your hair, do it like this. Doing it this way, just make sure that this pin is hitting it. Just slowly, don't drag it too much so your hair will not break. Bring it down. Once you have seen that the knotting has like become tiny, you now drag it. You can see, so you can see how my double knotting is looking very natural, okay? For more tutorial, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. If you want me to teach you how to ventilate, chat me up on WhatsApp, but it's not free.